kwiyandikithia na mubango wa NHIF ni gukoretwo gukinyiririo kuria Akenya othe makoretwo makiurio meyandikithie niguo kumathaitira riria marwara. Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na atongoria matiganite makoretwo makihinyiriria no muhaka mundu wothe akorwo na kadi iyo niguo magunike na urigitani mwega.
Indeed, in our conversations, it was obvious that the cost of healthcare still stresses many families. We can end that pain by providing medical insurance cover for every Kenyan within the next 5 years. That shall entail major policy and administrative reforms in the medical sector to ensure that all of us have access to quality and affordable medical cover by 2022.
Muthenya waira, Elsie Muhanda, uria no mubunge wa Guthukio kaunti-ini ya Kakamega, ni aroririe aikari kuma kaunti-ini yo meyandikithie niguo mahote kwamukira urigitani thibitari-ini itiganite.
Lile naona la muhimu 2018 tunatakia watu wa Kenya wote waingie kwa National Hospital Insurance Fund, kwa maana nimetembea nimeona wagonjwa wako na shida, na sisi hapa Kakamega wengi hatuna pesa, lakini mimi mwenyewe nitafanya funds drive kutokana January na February, watu wengi sana wajiunge na National Hospital Insurance Fund.
Elsie nioritie Akenya othe metikire na kuhimbiria motungata ma NHIF niamu mari na uguni munene. Ngiribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Kamau.